Ashley, we have come to the ice skating rink, and I'm not gonna lie, you look a little nervous.
I think in my lifetime, I've been ice skating maybe 3 times.
Really?
Like ever, yeah. So, but I also was the one that was like, I want to go ice skating. So, I don't know. I think it'll be a fun experience. I wanted to go ice skating in Germany and we didn't get to, so yeah. Hopefully.
Nice Christmas wintertime activity.
I'm counting on Josh to be good and I can like hold onto his arm and he can drag me along.
And not to toot my own horn or anything, but I'm really good. I mean, I guess that is tooting my own horn, isn't that?
Yeah, I can't wait for him to do, like the triple lux.
No, I mean like I'm good at staying on my feet. Emily, are you any good?
I'm okay, I think.
You think?
Yeah, I don't fall as much.
That's good. That's good.
I'm not very sharp, so hopefully nobody will slice my fingers off when I'm on the ground.
Ashley was telling me that's her big fear.
Yeah, of ice skating. Because you always think that it's like a slice, like if they're going super fast, right off.
I guess it's possible, but I've never seen it or heard it.
I've never, but it's just an irrational fear.
Like sharks in a lake?
Yeah, Laura.
All right, girl, it's all you.
I haven't stood up yet because I'm nervous about it.
You got this.
Just sitting here, I can feel how slippy it is. Yeah. Come over here.
Yes? No, don't pull me down.
I'm just kidding. Whoa!
I tried to let go and you're like falling.
Oh my god!
You got this.
I can't even move.
Bend your knees. See? You got this. Here, give me your hand. There you go. See, now you're off the edge.
Hold your waist and go around that way.
All right. I'm towing someone here.
Faster! I'm going now!
Now you're getting the hang of it.
A little better.
You're going good now. Nice moves. Okay, if you're wondering why we might look a little haggard, a little just tired, it's because it is 4:15 a.m. in the morning here in Copenhagen. We're catching a train directly to the airport, and we're early. It's been delayed about 15 minutes.
Because of our situations in the past, we want to make sure we're on time getting on our flight, because this is a big one today.
Today is the last travel day of 2017 for us.
Yeah.
We are going home.
We have a long flight back to the US of A. Europe, you've been awesome, but we're looking forward to seeing family.
Family and friends for Christmas. Yeah. It's time to head home. All right.
There she is, off to the airport.
Okay, and we have arrived at the airport. That is perhaps the easiest transportation to the airport we've ever taken. We walked into the terminal from the train. All right, we're gonna go check in. We're flying Norwegian today. And we're a little worried because we couldn't check in online, which we've always been able to do. So, we're gonna try checking in now. Fully automatic check-in. You don't even have to talk to anyone.
But I like this little bleeper.
Feel like you're checking out?
You literally just bleep it and then it takes it on. Fingers crossed I make it.
I hope to see you in Seattle. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All right, we can go to the gate now.
Well, that was easy. Much easier than I expected.
We need an easy button. Light snow on the wings means we have to wait to defrost for takeoff.
Yeah, just a little bit of time and then we'll be on our way.
we have arrived to London Gatwick, and we broke all of our rules. We slept on this flight. We were intending to sleep on the next flight. I think we're just gonna have to sleep on all the flights now.
I slept the whole flight. Like I didn't even know we were there until we landed.
Yeah.
I opened my eyes.
And she's like, oh, we're here. So we're at Gatwick, and we're gonna try and find a lounge to hang out in for a little bit, get some breakfast. And it's this way. This way. All right, so the lounge is fully booked, holidays and everything, so we can't get in. Apparently you can make a reservation. I've never done that before. I didn't know that was a thing. So I think we're just gonna wait. Right here. So now we have to plan to sleep the whole way to Seattle.
No, I plan on watching a movie. I think I've said that 3 times.
I'm trying to convince you
Oh my
to sleep the whole way.
gosh.
So we arrive at around 11 a.m. Seattle time. Well, it's about 9 a.m. now time. So we need to kind of make an evening on the plane and really like sleep as much as possible.
We do need to sleep as much as possible because we're wanting to stay up the whole next day. No naps.
No jet lag for us.
Yeah, kick that jet lag in the butt.
Immediately after recording that first part, we went to buy sandwiches. In the time that it took us to buy sandwiches, they announced the gate for the first time and then had the final boarding call. So we ran to the gate.
We're here.
We're here.
No worries.
We're
Now
on
it's
board.
just like chill.
Now we gotta sleep for 13 hours. 10?
10.
10 hours. Don't mind if I do. That's a lot of space.
Usually I like to put my legs up though and curl up.
Yeah, you
I
can't do
can't
that.
do that now.
Oh well.
I'm like the exception.
Ready to go.
I've never had seats like this before.
Bad timing. Bad timing.
9 hours and 6 minutes.
Are you rolling still? Why are you filming your chin?
A little bit of
There's gonna be a
turbulence.
little bit of turbulence, guys.
Nothing too bad. There's
Did you know it's snowing outside? Yeah.
Pilots are just so nice. I feel like like I was saying, we've never sat in these front seats before, and this airplane has some things that I've never seen before.
Our table comes right out.
Bling, bling.
That's cool.
At first I was freaking out because I thought, I can't watch movies. Where's my movies?
I don't know how the latch goes.
It's like on the side. Oh no, right here.
Not bad. Not bad.
Lastly, I've never seen a window like this. You dim the window. There is no... Okay, well you would be able to do it if it worked, but there's no little screeny thing to go dim. You just dim it. We tried it. We tried it earlier. Don't worry, take our word for it.
Yeah. We're on a Dreamliner. I don't know what kind of a classification of aircraft that is, but for you aircraft nerds out there, and I know you guys watch, this is a Dreamliner. I do not know the number beyond that.
Let me tell you, it's a dream.
Good puns.
And we both will be dreaming on it.
Yes. Wow. Let's go into a different segment called, wow, we're leaving Europe.
Yeah, crazy, huh?
We've been gone from home basically for a year, and we are headed home now. We've been in Europe the last 6 months. About.
Yeah.
We had to pop out for a little bit to Morocco to stay within our legal requirements for our visa. But
yeah, we were in the U.S. like for 2 weeks.
yeah.
In the middle of the year in June. So yeah.
So we are going home for the holidays, and we've intentionally got ahead on our videos. If you keep up with us on Instagram, you'll know that we are, like with this video, when we're recording this video, we're still in Morocco on our videos that are coming out online. So we've intentionally got ahead on videos so that we can go home, hang out with family, not feel pressured to film and vlog around family, around the holidays, and just have a good time with family. So around New Year, we plan to be caught back up on videos and to be creating content that's in the exact time frame that it's happening. So
Which would be the next video that you see.
basically. Well, I know Ashley's arm is getting tired, so
I'm tired. This is a heavy
she's the one holding the camera at this time. I got no hands.
So we haven't even left yet. It's snowing outside.
Yeah, so
but
much for a last call.
We're gonna relax now.
And this Christmas will be to hear. My world is filled with cheer and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes outshine the town. They do. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. This Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me, yeah. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me, yeah.
I don't know why we've been traveling the world all this time. It is incredibly gorgeous here today.
It's so beautiful. I always forget how amazing Washington is.
And then we
until
come home,
fly in
and we're like,
then
man.
wow.
Oh man, we got flagged for everything coming back in. I got my little, customs form X'd out. We had to go to the X'd out line.
Really, today has gone by super.
Yeah, aside from like hurry up and wait scenario, which
Yeah.
we haven't quite experienced before.
You farted.
Yeah,
This
just
is
now.
awkward.
So now we're sitting here and she's trying not to smell it.
Or say anything.
This is the first time I've farted on camera.
so rude. What, did you just let it slip out or something?
I don't remember doing it. It must have.
It wasn't from my butt.
Okay, are you good?
Yeah.
You good? All right.
Whew.
So, anyways, we are back home, safe and sound
You're in my old bedroom.
Washington State, in Ashley's old bed. This is where we used to make out when we were dating. Oh,
No,
and
we
look.
did not.
No, I didn't say that. And then Ashley's mom has a habit of giving us a gift bag when we come back. So all the things
nice.
that I like, I love that. I look forward to that when we come back. I can always kind of like snacks.
And my sister and my niece and my mom all came to the airport
Yeah,
to pick us up.
that was really
which
nice.
So nice.
It's like 2 p.m. now. It's almost 2 p.m. I think.
Yeah, but where we're just at, it's like 9:30, 10 p.m.
It's the evening time.
Yeah.
So we are gonna spend the rest of the evening with family and just try and stay awake until nighttime here. So we did sleep on the flight plenty. I think we'll be good on jet lag. We might be a little bit tired, but we'll be all right. So anyways, we're just gonna cut it here and we're gonna go spend some time with family.
I'm gonna shower.
Then shower and do makeup. Ashley has plans tonight already to stay awake. So anyways, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. We'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas.
Hey.
A very special